Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. I come to you today with no makeup on because I had a doctor's appointment. And I got home from my doctor's appointment and my Boxy Charm was on my porch. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film it right now. Now, I do want to say before I get started on this, my face is a little tanner. I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but y'all, I've been using the Saint-Tropez Self Tanner Purity Spray that we got last month in our Allure bag. I didn't know if I should say box or bag because it comes in a box, but the box in the box is a bag. But and I really like this. I spray like 5 or 6 sprays on my face and my neck and my décolletage or décolleté, I don't know, décolleté something, my neck and my chest. And right after I do my skincare at night, before I go to bed, and I let it dry before I lay down. And I just had this amazing, my face is usually really white compared to my body. It like doesn't tan for some reason. I don't know why, but it never has. But this, you guys, my face is now even with my skin. My face is now even with like my arms and my chest and my legs. So I actually was upset about getting this at first, but now I'm really happy. I've used it 3 times and it's to like there. So I'll probably get like 4 or 5 more times out of it. So I actually really like it. I do recommend it if you want something to self-tan your face, because in the summer I live in the South. And I don't wear like foundation and stuff because it's so hot here, y'all, that it will just melt straight off your face. Like today, it's like 114 outside, and the humidity is like 80%. So if you are familiar with humidity, 80% humidity is hot, and it's gonna get to like 110, 120% humidity come here soon. So. But if you're not familiar with, this is my Boxy Luxe, but if you're not familiar with Boxy Charm is a $21 a month monthly beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full to luxury size beauty products every quarter. So every season, spring, summer, fall, and winter. So it's December, March, June, and September. Is that right? I don't know. You receive the Boxy Luxe if you choose to upgrade. You do not have to upgrade. If you do not want to, you can get the $21 a month box on those months if you want. If not, this is $49.99, I believe. They charge you an extra, yes, $28.99 on top of the $21 that you are already charged. I'm not familiar. I think this is you receive 6 to 7 full-size items in it, and it's supposed to be $250 value or more. So I'm really excited. This is my first one. I didn't get it in December, and I didn't get it because I didn't know about it in December. And then, or I did know about it, but it was too late. And then in March, I wasn't interested. I was signed up for it, and then I canceled it because I didn't want what was in it. But this month I saw some sneak peeks, and I was like, So you open it up. It says, "Hello Charmers, #BoxyCharm." You lift this up, and it looks like that. I'm so excited, you guys. I am so excited for my first Boxy Luxe. You pull this out, and this is the theme, BoxyCharm Getaway. So the theme is Getaway. Oh, I already see something and I'm really happy about it. I'm just going to pull the first thing up I see, and this is the Living Proof, what is this? Dry Volume Blast. So this is Living Proof. Let's find it. Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone-free, safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and it's a $29 value. They had 2 Living Proof items that you could get, this or a volumizing cream, and I have too much hair for needing volume. But I believe I can spray this in and it'll give my roots volume or use it as a hairspray. I'm not sure, but I'll try it out. Ooh, it smells really good. So that smells good. I'll use it to like when I wear my hair down and flat iron it to just give my roots volume. I'll use it for that, but it won't get that much use, but I will use it. You guys, this is one of the things I have been so excited for. This is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This is a $25 value. I'm not going to open the mascara itself because I do not need it. It has directions right here. How to use. Press, pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. So like this. Oh, look it. So it was like this, and then you pulled this down, and then you go like this. Watch. I'm so scared right now. And then it curls half of your lashes. So I should have started over here. Ooh, did it work? Oh, but you should probably start right here. Put them in like that, and then just I'm like scared kind of because of how it is. Oh, it works though. Oh, I was really, when I saw Trestique was coming out with this, I was like, oh, I love a gadget, and a good beauty gadget, sign me up. So I was like gonna get this anyways, and then this was one of the first sneak peeks I saw, and I was like, oh, I'm getting Boxy Luxe this time because that way I didn't have to pay for this. It's a mascara with the curler on it, so if you could just throw this to travel with in your purse when you're running errands if you need it, and just give your lashes a little plump up. It did curl this one really a lot. It actually curled it quite a bit, like a lot. That's a good curler, but you do have to do one section at a time. So you can do half your lashes and your other half, but I'm so excited. And this says it's Good Vibes Mascara. Does it say the color? Let's see if it says on here. This is the first of its kind. I'm so excited about this, you guys. It doesn't say the color, but I'm going to guess it's black. I have so many open right now that I'm not going to open it. But, oh, I'm really, really excited about this. So that's super, super awesome. Okay, let's lift this up. Now, this is the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. Now, there's 4 different colors you could get, and I don't know what color I got. This is a... Where's this thing? Where's it at? Where's the PYT? This is a $85 value, and it does come with 2 attachments, a diffuser and a straightener. That's cool because that's cool. Oh, and it comes with this awesome bag, which you can throw it all in and then throw it in your suitcase if you're going on a trip. You guys, I got the purple color, which is so awesome because purple is my favorite color. It does have this, which is super nice. You guys, I have a plug-in right behind me, and we're going to see how strong this is because I haven't seen anybody do that yet. It's so small, you guys. I am 5 feet tall, so, I mean, imagine this on a 5 foot tall person. Makes me look like a beast. So it's 230 volts and 120. Did it work? See. Woo! And it gets hot. That's hot. So it actually is pretty strong. And I have really, really long, thick hair. I am so bad at rolling this stuff up, so I'm going to have my husband do it. But I have really long, thick hair. So I wouldn't use that every day, but I will definitely use it whilst on trips. So I'm really excited that I got this. It's so small and cute. And if you know anything about me, you know I love little miniature tiny things. Like, it's like gets me every time. If you want to sucker me into buying something like impulsively, have it be something that I love but smaller. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. It's 30 milliliters, and this is a $58 value. Now, this was created for BoxyCharm specifically, so they're just so you know that. This Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. I'm reading this down here if you're wondering what I'm doing. Where was I? Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles reduce. Yes, that's everything that I need. So I'm not going to open it because I'm using a lot of skincare right now. And what you should know is that the minute you open your skincare, this shelf life starts. This shelf life is skincare goes very quickly too. Doesn't say, y'all. It's made in Korea. Doesn't say what the shelf life is, but that's weird because it usually says on the box. It's made of recycled goods. So that's something to note, that it does not have the little thing that has a shelf life like this does. This is good for 6 months. That's weird. This is good for 24 months, maybe because it's made for, it didn't on the bottle either, so that's odd as well. We're going to pull out our little foamy things and reach on in. I did not want this. Okay, I don't care. Skin & Co. Aqua Illuminate Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I heard this doesn't smell that great too, so I'm not that stoked on this. It has a mint, actually, it just has a mint smell. This is, I'm not that excited. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist is a $35 value. Is hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. I have oily skin. I have no need for that. I am illuminating naturally. So, this is the Dominique Cosmetics, and this says lemonade lip gloss. I got mine in peach tea, add height, and this is a $17 value. I will put it on. I was excited to see what color this was because I had no clue. Oh, this is a good color for me. Oh, I love this, actually. I will say I am over getting glosses, but this smells like vanilla frosting, or like when you're making a cake, like the cake batter smell when you're making it or it's baking, like that smell. That's what it smells like. And I actually enjoy this color. I'm glad it's not just a clear gloss. And again, this is a $17 value. Put that back in. Next, we got the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleansing with Chlorophyll. I'm going to have to look into this. Oh, look at me. Because I don't know why chlorophyll's good to have it in your box. And if you have these markings, it's from the box. Mine was laying in here like so it's just from it rubbing on the box, the black box. It's not dirty, it's just the packaging it came out of. This is a $35 value, powered by Probiotic Balancing Complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. That's good because I have oily skin, but I like moisturizing face washes because I don't like the feeling of having my oil stripped, because then your skin does create excess oils and then you become oilier. We did get face washes 2 months in a row, so that's, and then if you got like the skincare box and the Boxy Luxe in March, you got even more. So I mean, there's that to think about, but I'll put this away. I won't open it, and I'll put it away and I'll use it. I haven't even used my Glam Glow one yet, but it'll get used. I'll pick which one and use it. Now this is No Problem Prime Essence. This is a primer essence. The No Problem Prime Essence is a $23 value. This is a $35 if I didn't say. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Where was I? Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Again, $23 value if I did not say. And I'm guessing it's going to be like water. Yeah. Okay, so this is like the other essences that I have. Oh, it feels good. I like that. Oh, and it has a very light, oh, that smells good. That's a familiar smell, but and it doesn't leave your skin tacky. It kind of just leaves it soft and smooth. So I do like that as well. And this was the other thing I was so excited for. This is a Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, and it is a $45 value. I had been looking into buying this when they were on sale, and then I saw that they were going to be in BoxyCharm, so I did not. So in here, you get 2 blushes. They both look matte. 2 highlighters, and then you get 2 bronzers, a matte and a shimmer one. And this is, again, a $45 value. So let's add it up. 45, that's 68. 68 plus 7 is 75. 85, 90. 90 plus 80 is 170. 205, 205, 255, 260, 263, 283, 292. I'm almost getting lost. 292, 292, 300, 321, 356. 356 plus 35 is what? 361? That's a good deal for $50 for everything. So it's a 360 blah blah blah. Oh, and I did get 6B, which is what the one I had seen a lot of people getting was 6B and 2B. I don't know what that means, but they did. I mean, yeah. So I'm super excited. So for $50, I got the No Porcelain Primer, the Dominique's Cosmetic Lippy, this Honeymoon Glow Serum, this, what is this? I forgot. Illuminating Spray, Dr. Brandt Face Wash, my Dream Come True Mascara and Eyelash Curler, Dry Volume Blast, Tarte Pro Glow Palette, and it's cute. Look, it's so tiny. I can't believe it. This isn't, to me, an $85 value, but probably, I mean, I would say with the attachments, I get it being more expensive in the brand. My full-size blow dryer I bought like 10 years ago, and it was regular $110, and then I used my store discount because I worked in the salon. I used to work at JCPenney salon, and I ended up paying like $85 for it. So I get that price because I have a really expensive blow dryer, and this was 10 years ago, so now God only knows how much that blow dryer would be. Let me know down below if you got Boxy Luxe this season. Did we get the same things? What do you think about Boxy Luxe too? Are you still subscribed to BoxyCharm? I know a lot of people were unsubscribing, but I'm not comfortable doing that because I really do think it's a great value, and I love that they're putting more skincare in it. Not so excited about hair care just because like to have 2 volumizing products in one box, it's like not everybody has thin, limp hair. Some people have full, thick hair and they don't need more volume. But I'm glad I got this version as opposed to the other one, because the other one I would never